Love M Solar. Today I'm going to show you our solar door light, solar side light. This one. And here is the packing for the light, the back and the manual inside, and the screws for installation, and the box, and the number and letter for the door number. Okay, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the number from 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and 0 to 9, 3 copies. Okay, here is the letter and the number. And now, show you the material is aluminum alloy, very durable. And here is the solar panel, and the LED panel, and battery built inside. Okay, let me show you how to operate. The first time you use, before installation, you need to open the lamp to switch on, like this, and use your finger to push. Okay, use your finger to push. Okay, to push and open the lamp. And you can see the switch. Here, the switch. Okay. This is the switch. I switch. Switch. Okay, I already switch. You can test. At night is turn on, and in the morning turn off. Okay, the function is good now. Then we cover it. Okay. And at night, when you see like this is how it works at night. The number and the letter. So you can install in your door or anywhere you want the number and letter. Okay. Here is the screws for installation. You see the hole here to mount on the wall. Okay. We have many other solar light, solar garden light, solar wall light, and solar street light, solar floodlight. If you want more details, please visit our website, lovemsolar.com. Our mission is safe and safe for our partner, and work together to solar the light and heal the world. Thank you.